WhatsApp is great for staying connected, but you might not want it tracking your location all the time. Here's how to turn off location tracking on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp and tap the three dots in the top right corner if you're on Android. Or go to settings directly if you're on iPhone. Select privacy, then tap live location. If you've shared your location with anyone, you'll see it listed here. Simply tap stop sharing to turn it off immediately. Next, let's block WhatsApp from accessing your GPS. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Location Services, then WhatsApp, and set it to never or while using the app. On Android, head to Settings, then Apps, then WhatsApp, then Permissions, then Location, and choose Deny or Allow only while using. For extra safety, disable background location so WhatsApp can't track you when the app is not open. And that's it. You've now turned off WhatsApp location tracking. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.